What you guys, got a quick video here for you on how to fix the most annoying Windows 11 feature in 2 minutes. Now you can see the latest Windows 11 start menu. It's hideous, it's big, and you cannot resize it. And it is really frustrating. Microsoft are rolling this out to everyone inside Windows 11. And this will be rolled out within the next week or so to everyone. It's already been starting to roll out to users, and some people may already have it. And you'll probably know that you can't really do much with it. It's just a big, massive monstrosity that Microsoft have chucked together and stuck it out for Windows 11 users. Now, you've got options where you can either use a tool to resize it, or you can just completely replace it with something like Start 11 or Start All Back. We're going to take a look at a free tool called Windhawk. Windhawk is a free tool that you can use to resize the Windows 11 start menu. For some reason, it seems that Microsoft released things that just doesn't have much customization to it, and you just cannot do anything with it. But with Windhawk, you're going to be able to use this to customize the actual start menu itself. And you can also do lots more with Windhawk. If you want to see more videos on Windhawk, then let me know in the comment section down below. So what you're going to need to do is do a search on Windhawk for the actual plugin that is going to allow you to resize the actual start menu. So you need to install Windhawk first. So first off, what we're going to do is do a search for start menu size, like so, and you should see it coming up right here. So we need to click on details, and basically from details, you'll see what sizes you can do here. So the default size for the classic start menu is 642 and the height is 726. So you can use those custom sizes if you want to make it exactly like the small start menu that used to be on there, or you can use your own sizes. So first off, let's go ahead and download Windhawk and get this installed onto the system. I'm using the standard installer. Click yes to the user account control here and click next, and we're going to click install. And now it's going to unpack the actual software and install it on the PC. Now we still haven't downloaded the plugin yet. We just need to get the software installed onto the system so we can actually customize our start menu. So let's go ahead and finish this off and open up Windhawk. If you're interested on what version of Windows this is Windows 11 25H2. I'll quickly just show you that before we continue, and then we can continue with the setup phase of the start menu. So let's go down to the search box here and type WinVer, and this will give us the version of Windows. I just want you to be able to see what version of Windows we're running. Windows 11 Pro 25H2, and there is the build number right there. So it's the latest build number that has been released by Microsoft. So let's go back into Windhawk here. And what we need to do is we need to basically go to details and then install the actual plugin. You'll see proceed with care is giving you a warning. So you need to carry on with this installation at your own risk and install this at this stage. Once you've done this, we can now go to the settings panel, and we can now start to configure our start menu. Now, of course, this would only take around about 2 minutes to do if I wasn't giving you a tutorial, so it wouldn't take that long. So down in the settings panel is width and height. This is where you can put those default figures if you want to be the same as what it was on the old start menu. But we'll just start off with 800 by 800 so you can actually see what it actually does. It's reduced it in size already, but you can reduce it even more if you wish to make it a bit smaller and more usable and manageable for you. So let's go ahead and do another number right here and test this out. So we're going to go with the 500 right here and 800 high. And we can now go back in, and you can see that's gone a bit too narrow. But if you want to make it narrow, that's entirely up to you. So let's go back in and readjust this size right here. And this is all you need to do. Just adjust the sizes to your liking. So now we've gone back in, and I think that's pretty good right there. And that's a perfect size. So that's what it looks like once it's been adjusted. I might make that a little bit smaller just because it's still a little bit big, and I can just adjust the size just a little bit more just to make it a bit smaller. So let's go back into the actual Windhawk panel again and just adjust it one more time to something a little bit smaller. So we're at 700 width right now. We can make this a little bit smaller by taking this down to maybe 650 or something like that. And we can take a look, and we've already got it set at 800 high, and that looks a little bit better right there. And you can probably make that your own size to your want, but I think that's a pretty good size. So we'll probably do this at 700 by 650. And let's take a look one last time. There we go. That's perfect. So it's not too small and it's not too big. Now you can set the sizes up to how you like and what suits you. Just have a little play around with it, and basically you should be pretty much good to go from here. Again, always create a restore point before you're making changes to the operating system. Remember, you're doing this at your own risk. So all in all, that's how you can resize their hideous, oversized start menu on Windows 11. My name has been Brian from briteccomputers.co.uk. Just want to say a quick shout out to all my YouTube members who have joined my YouTube members group. I really do appreciate the support, and I shall catch you in the very next video. Thanks again for watching. Bye for now.